Good morning, my dear students. Today we will learn about nature's most precious gift, that are plants. Before starting the video, have a look outside of your window. What do you see? There are different types of plants. Can you see? Some plants are big and some are small. So today we are going to understand the different types of plants. So, the plants which are big, strong, and have many branches are called trees. They have a strong trunk. For example, mango tree and banyan tree. See these two pictures. They are very strong and have many branches. Next, shrubs. Some plants are small and strong. They are known as shrubs. For example, rose and sunflower. Next, herbs. Some small plants have soft, green, and weak stems. They are known as herbs. For example, tulsi and grass. Let us have a recap on the topic. Trees. Tall, big, and strong plants are called trees. They have hard trunk and many branches. Trees live for many years. Shrubs. Small and bushy plants are called shrubs. They have thin, brown, and woody stem. They live for few years. Herbs. They have a soft green stem. They live for few months, normally for a season. So children, I hope you all have understood what I have explained to you about trees, shrubs and herbs. Now it is time for your homework. So your homework is, you have to give example of trees, herbs and shrubs other than what I have given, and paste one leaf of each that you are giving example, or you can also draw the pictures if the plant is not available at your home.